Hi, this is Dr. Moguel again. I am here with my patient Shalia. Hello, Shalia. How are you?
Yes, feeling so much better now after the procedure's been done.
Thank you. Shalia, tell me, how do you find us as a dental clinic in Mexico?
Oh my goodness, it was a journey. So prior to coming here, my husband and I had done a lot of research. It was really important to us that we found a surgeon that not only we trusted, but patients trusted. And not just after the immediate result. We wanted to see patients who were a few years out and wanted to track their results, reading the comments, not just the good ones, but the whole experience. So in doing our research, we actually came out to Mexico 2 days before we kicked out of Docker. We actually went to 15 different clinics. I don't know if you
Wow.
knew this.
No, I didn't. I didn't know that.
You were actually the last one
Okay.
we came to.
And you can just walk in
We
from the
came
way,
walking.
from the
We had a
from the
list.
street.
I had already called. I had already
Okay.
got comments from different offices. We went walking. I didn't know how big this was. It's a different experience once you choose a location, and then you can easily get transportation because that is a big deal. It seems like it's a small area, but walking
Well, walking all the
15
village
different
is,
clinics.
yeah, it's a lot.
We went to 15 different doctors. We had it down to 2 doctors at the end. And we wanted to come to Dr. Moguel at the end. And after having a consultation with him, in the conversation, we could tell that he was really considering the complexity of my case. So I had lost a lot of bone, and I didn't just need bone graft, maybe bone blocking. I had been without teeth for about 5 years. So that caused a bit of complexity in my case, not just in what doctors were agreeing here in Mexico, but also in the United States. I did have an implant that had a previous failure and we needed to redo. So it's been a journey to say the least. And I can say that without doubt, when I've been here speaking to his customers, speaking to the staff, everybody is beyond the moon happy in a way that makes you feel a little bit at peace with the idea that you're crossing the border and you're doing surgery in another country that you don't even recognize. Sometimes there's barriers in how you communicate and how the processes work and how we're familiar in the US. But I can tell you that at the end of the day, I'm very pleased with our decision and the 15 offices that it took to get to you. So I do appreciate it.
Excellent, thank you. And then, so now we are finished. We have finished the treatment. Is that what you expected? How's your final experience?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yes. I think I did a lot of research, and I think what helped is you and I had a plan when we sat down. We set expectations and what this was going to look like. And so this is my third visit that I've had to do. It was a little bit longer than what I had hoped it to have been, but it's what needed to be done to get results that are going to last, not just to have a quick implant put in.
Yeah, sometimes it's different with patients who have different steps.
Yes.
Like you.
Yeah.
It's very important to do step by step to have at the end the expected results.
Yes.
Okay, so we have finished your treatment. Have you will be very pleased at the end during the rest of your life. I hope you will be visiting us for your checkup sometime, or bringing your husband, or I don't know, people, friends, family. Okay.
Absolutely, we'll definitely be back.
Thank you very much, Elia.
Yes, thank you. Appreciate it.
Muy bien.